Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. This is Chris ICT and TV and this is Christian Rosario. Today I will show you on how to create your own YouTube channel and for you to be able to gain views with as you start earning it in 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 required watch hours. So today, please have a good time watching and listening while you were learning on this way to create your own channel. So this time you will have to go to youtube.com and make sure that you have your own Gmail account or account for you to be able to make your own channel in YouTube. So this time I have my own account. So I will click here. So here I already have my own videos here. So we have to see here and this time. So since you already have it, so this channel has no videos. But for you, is you're going to have that video when you started to have the upload. So we have to click upload and we have to choose at least any video, any short video that will really help for you to be able to have this vlog that you wish to have. So this time we will have to click for example like that. So we have to make a, for example, so you have to make your own title. This is the title. Your views, what you're in the description, it depends upon you. And for sure you have to make your own thumbnail, because in thumbnail that's very important. So that's very important because with that you will be informed to have this digit verification number, and that will be for you to be able to access on your YouTube channel. So now my account is now verified by the YouTube, since I have already did this part here. So I will just have to know, and I will have to click next. So in the thumbnail class, guys, it's very important. The thumbnail is very important. You just have to click the next, and you have to make it show in the public and publish it. So in that way, you already have your own YouTube account, YouTube channel, and you can start sending it, sharing it, the link, so that the other will subscribe, like, and view your channel. So that's one way and how to gain subscribers, because that's very important. And for you also to be able to have, okay, so we have here. So let's see if it was already uploaded, the video that we upload. And you have to cancel this. Okay, so we are waiting. Let's wait for a moment. So well, in other words, guys, one way to also to have it is in your channel. You have to make sure that everything is set. You have your own account. You have already verified the six-digit verification number in your using your cell phone, and make sure that you are also keeping your own password, your own channel. So that's very important, because in that way it could also help you. So we're still waiting to see the uploaded video. So I guess it's already here. Okay, so this time it's already here. Okay, so hello everyone, good morning, welcome to ICT Chris and TV. And okay, so that's how you are now starting. You have to like the views, and you may now share it, and how to share it. You have to go to your dashboard, and you can also send the link to the others. So you can also here see the monetization, the subscribers. It requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, and in that way also it could help you to have your own channel. So you can have, it's very important, because in this way, so I still don't have subscriber here. You can also see your videos as you go along, and this part also here as you access. So hopefully you understand now on how to create your own channel, YouTube channel, for you to be able to have this what we call as earning money as you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Have a good day. Bye bye.